How to use the citation tool built into Google Docs. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. Today I'll be showing you some simple steps via which you can use the citation tool that is built into Google Docs. So without any further ado, let's get started. As you can see, there's a random document here that I've cited from this source over here. What you have to do is copy the source and then go to the Google Docs again. After that, you need to go to the Tools option over here and then open an option called Citation. It is the one with the quotation icons over here. After you click on it, this menu will open up where you have to select the citation source. Simply tap on the Add Citation Source option and then you can select the source type as well as select how you accessed it. After that, you can paste the link over here and then go to the search option. Here, as you can see, there are some things that I'm missing, such as title, published year, etc. You can either press confirm or go to the cite manually option, and by doing so, you'll be able to add more details and specifications to your sites, like contributors, first name, middle name. You can also add title as well as the publisher, the URL, and so on and so forth. And there you go. That is how you can use the citation tool built onto your Google Docs. If you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel.